wiki.ezvid.com. Search Ezvid Wiki before you decide. Ezvid presents the 10 best LED pain relievers. Let's get started with the list. Starting off our list at number 10, the toplight therapy kernel utilizes a combination of visible red and infrared light, which may penetrate deep into tissue to help deal with muscle and joint soreness. It fits comfortably in the hand and is suitable for extended use. It recharges via USB and the head is replaceable. However, it has only 48 diodes. At number 9, the DPL flexpad is an easy-to-use device that promises relief from muscle strains using a combination of light sources. The flexible construction allows it to wrap around affected areas for focused and hands-free treatment. It shouldn't have any side effects and includes Velcro bands for a secure attachment, but it's not the most durable selection. Coming in at number 8 in our list. At first glance, the rxed kit looks like a heavy-duty flashlight, and its housing is certainly among the most durable on the market. It allows you to focus its beam with a simple push-pull motion, so you can dial in the coverage you want. It includes an integrated belt clip and a holster for carrying. However, it's not as penetrative as others. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for LED pain relievers, or simply click beneath this video. At number 7, the Lightforce Therapy LFT9000 provides 8 settings, allowing you to match its power to your pain management needs. It's been specifically designed for home use and alerts you when it's time to move on to a different part of the body. It may help reduce muscle stiffness and offers a 20 square inch treatment area, but be aware that the company has a high restocking fee should you not like it. Moving up our list to number 6, the Radlites infrared therapy pad is equipped with 49 diodes and claims to provide deeper penetration than many of its competitors. It may also help reduce inflammation, stimulate cell growth, and increase circulation. It's equipped with a switch to adjust its intensity and an elastic strap for placement. However, it's too small for certain body parts. Halfway up our list at number 5, the han-moxa moxibustion combines light treatment with aromatherapy to provide both pain relief and relaxation. The included remote allows you to adjust the time and temperature quickly, and it comes with a strap so you can operate it hands-free. It includes a car adapter and a digital display on the controller, but replacement discs are a bit pricey. At number 4, those suffering from arthritis or a repetitive strain injury to their fingers or wrists would appreciate the design of the red light therapy double side. It surrounds your hand for complete coverage and has an inline time controller to customize your sessions. It's available with 1 or 2 pads and big enough to accommodate anyone. It's backed by a 1-year warranty. Nearing the top of our list at number 3. For a highly portable solution, the Lumina tendlite is about the size of a small flashlight and includes a rechargeable battery. It uses a 660 nanometer wavelength that's supposed to offer anti-inflammatory benefits. Treatments are quick and it comes in a durable steel housing with protective goggles. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for LED pain relievers, or simply click beneath this video. At number 2, the lightstim LST003 boasts an ergonomic handle that has comfortable rests for your fingers to provide you with a firm grip as you use it. Its compact design and the included zippered carrying case make it a good option for travel. It's made in the United States with a built-in timer and a total of 72 diodes. And coming in at number 1 on our list, the size of the tuoyr red light wrap makes it suitable for treating large areas of the body, most notably the lower back. It offers an alternating array of diodes, 52 at 660 nanometers and another 65 in invisible infrared. It comes with a 20-minute automatic shut-off and 2 Velcro straps, along with a conveniently long 15-foot power cord. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for LED pain relievers, or simply click beneath this video.